Right, ladies and gents, welcome to I Am Full. Today we're gonna be sharing a new content with you about today. There shouldn't be a food, so today we're gonna be showing you a dessert. Yeah, it's basically kadayif. It's again traditional kind of dessert, but in other words, so oven baked, shredded pastry with pistachio filling in thick syrup, blah blah blah. Yeah, forget about it. Yeah, just remember kadayif. Yeah. If you are ready, so let's go jump in. And if you like our videos, and please give a like and subscribe and comment down below. Again, without waiting you, here is it. You can see at the background there is a cafeteria. So let's go. Yeah, again, a traditional name suggests Şıllık. Yeah, you heard correctly. It is special dessert which comes from 18th century. During poverty stage of population in the Middle Eastern in Şanlıurfa, they have found a new solution to feed themselves. They didn't even have any type of food and they were hungry and they were looking for a food to feed themselves. It is said that mothers has used flour and cooked it, then put in plate to serve to their children. And during those years, it is updated and reformed into the dessert and they have added sugary water on it. Nowadays, people are making as a dessert and adding pistachio and walnuts when they are serving. Right, welcome again. So we have two kind of dessert right here on the table. So you can see on your left side, it is called kadayif. So which is, how can I say, it is kind of dessert that is with the sherbet. It is called sherbet. Sherbet is a kind of water boiled with sugar and added lemon, as we have seen in the intro. So on the right side, it is called, again, special name Şıllık. So it is stranger name, but this is with just only pear nuts and added again sherbet. We call it sherbet. So let's taste it and give my points to them. So take first our knife and then yeah, I think it's looking good. Yeah, the first bite is again for you. Incredible, yeah. It's really stunning. 10 out of 10 points. So on your right side, oh, let's take my first bite. It is also divided to pieces. Yeah. That is my best. I cannot tell you how I'm happy of having those kind of desserts. So I again recommend you to come and stop by here. So as the name suggests, it is in Şanlıurfa. Yeah. They are doing their best with the high quality ingredients, and so all the ingredients they are putting is high level, so I can say the A quality. So that's all. So don't forget to subscribe, recommend to your friends, and comment down below and give a thumb, and take care of you. Goodbye. Yes.